My name's Richard Pratt, I'm a commercial manager for Hawkins. So why did I want to move to New Zealand? I always liked New Zealand. I really liked the place when I was travelling a year out. And then when I was in London, I met a Kiwi girl who later became my wife. Visited her quite regularly and always had a special place for me. When my wife became pregnant, we decided it'd be a really good place to raise a kid, and then I decided to make the move. I had my job lined up prior to here. Hawkins did a recruitment campaign in 2015, and I met some of the guys in London and secured a job, and that made it really easy to make the move back to New Zealand. The best thing for working at Hawkins, 100% the people. It sounds a bit cliched, but the people are great here. I've met some really good people. The leadership's really strong. They've got very defined values which they stand behind, and they take pride in delivery. It's a great forward-thinking company, and I've really enjoyed my time here in the last 6 years. Data or data, this is pet A, it's always going to be data. Spates or Carling, 100% Spates. Shard or Sky Tower, I like both buildings, but my son likes the glass floors in the Sky Tower, so I'd say Sky Tower. Walkers or Burger Rings, Walkers, cheese and onion, best crust in the world. Barbecue or Sunday roast, that's a tough one, but I'm going to stick with Sunday roast.